Flag and country. Every day is Independence Day. The United Arab Emirates is a Western Asian country located on the Asian continent and celebrates its Independence Day on December 2nd. The flag colors include a horizontal tricolor of green representing hope and prosperity. White represents peace, pure, clean, and honesty. Black represents strength of the mind. And the vertical bar represents unity between Emirates. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For new videos, click the bell notification icon and follow us on social media. Flag and country. Every day is Independence Day.